So we're here in Corbin. I'm here with Samantha, my bestie, and we are going to eat at Cracker Barrel. So Samantha, I'm at odds with this place.
What?
I'm at odds with this place.
Okay.
Because, do you know, like in Middlesboro, it is packed all the time.
It is. Yeah.
Anywhere else you go, it is always packed. Well, it's not packed here today. So, let's see. Let's do a food review. Okay. There's the barrel. Thank you. Ooh. Oh, Christmas. Christmas stuff. Clothes. Pajamas. Ooh, they soft too. Baby clothes. Gloves.
No, the same to you.
Betty White. Costumes. They got a lot of stuff. I just wonder what I'm gonna be getting. Ooh, fried chicken. Burgers. Fish. Beef. Oh, desserts. And it's just like it always is at every place. They have the decorations. So we both got the sweet tea. She got with the nasty lemon. I got without the lemon. It's pretty good. So, what did you order?
I ordered chicken tenders with a rolled baked potato, bacon mac and cheese, and hash brown pretzel.
And me, myself, I ordered the country fried steak, the mac and cheese, and pinto beans. I did not get the mac and cheese. I got oak cream. Okay, so there's my poor looking country fried steak. There's my pinter beans and my okra. There's her, what is that?
Hash brown casserole.
And her loaded baked potato. Oh God, onions. And her strips and mac and cheese. Okay, how's the mac and cheese?
It's pretty mango.
Good.
Yeah. And I already know this is good because this is one of my favorite things.
Hash brown casserole.
Yeah.
It don't look like it's hot.
It is. It's so good though.
And you're waiting on ranch.
Yeah, for my chicken.
Oh,
Butter.
Lord, at that butter.
That's good.
Okay, so let's get to tasting here. Let's see. Let's try this. Let's try this okra. I don't like it. Some okra I like in some places, and some places I don't. It's just not good. Okay, let's try this. Country fried steak. Here I go. A little hot. Yeah, it's okay. Let's try my pinter beans. Oh no. They are watery. I hate watery beans. Let's try it. Yeah, no. There's no flavor in watery beans. So how's them there chicken strips?
They're pretty good. They could be a little tenderer, but besides that, they taste pretty good.
Are they crunchy?
They are crunchy, yes. Crunchy.
So there's what's left. I kept trying that slick, slimy okra, thinking that it would get better, but it didn't. The pinto beans, once I put in the chow chow and the onions, and Way's gonna kill me when I get home and I've got onion breath. I can hear it now. Go brush your teeth. And there's Samantha, what she's eating, and yeah. Now, this does look very good. It's the butter pecan sticky buns. So what do you think? Yay, nay, yes, no. Could you eat a sticky bun?
I could always eat a sticky bun.
So we ordered the butter pecan sticky buns, and about 20 minutes later the waitress comes back and says, they just alerted me that
we're out of sticky buns.
Out of sticky buns. So, yeah. Okay, so I really can't complain because that was for both of us $39.90. So that's good. So we are leaving. We're gonna go up front. And we're gonna pay the bill and get out of here. Okay, so what review have we got?
I think it was good, but I am easy to please. Food is, I love food, so.
Okay, my take on it is no. And they charged us for the sticky buns.
But they took it
Didn't notice that until we got up there, and then yeah, they took it off. But so.
Why are you going outside the car?
Because I'm gonna get... Okay, but anyway, yeah, so I'm not gonna do the one in Corbin here again. Nah. So yeah, okay. That's it for my review of Cracker Barrel in Corbin. Not again. No. Bye.